Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Sarah. I hope you guys are doing great. Now I'm going to be analyzing gold. I just analyzed Bitcoin earlier on the previous video, and now let's take a look at gold to see what is happening. Let's look at areas where we could look for buying opportunities or selling opportunities in the price of gold. If this is your first time joining this channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. On this channel, what I do is I make educational and entertaining videos about day trading, Forex, and cryptocurrency. This is a really great place to learn trading if you are a beginner. I encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. You can also join my free Telegram group so you can get more information for free and some trade signals. I do share some trade signals every single week, which you can start using to make money right away, even without any experience. Join the Telegram group. The link to the Telegram group is listed on the description box below this video. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please, I really appreciate it if you can just give this video a thumbs up either right now or towards the end of the video. That would be greatly appreciated. Leave a comment down below for any video suggestion. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. I will be analyzing gold, and then on the next video I will analyze Audi USD, GBP USD, and I think that's it. So I'm just going to analyze Audi USD and GBP USD. Okay, so let's get started. So this is gold. Okay, currently the price is 3,162. The price of gold has just been booming. It's just been flying higher and higher, which is great. Okay, looking at here, what is the time frame that I'm looking at right now? It is the 1 hour time frame, 1H. Okay, and on this time frame, the current trend, what do you guys think the current trend is? Are we in an uptrend or downtrend? Let me know in the comment section before I tell you what trend it is. Okay, let me know what trend you guys think it is. Okay, if you say we are in an uptrend, you are correct. If you say we are in a downtrend, you are incorrect. All right, price of gold is currently in an uptrend. How do we know it's in an uptrend? Because the price is forming higher highs and higher low. Okay, this is very, very easy to basically know. You just have to zoom out, and basically if it looks like the price is heading higher and higher, that is an uptrend. If it looks like the price is heading lower and lower, that is a downtrend. Okay, so price is an uptrend. What does this mean? It means that the best trade for us to be looking for at this moment is buying opportunities. So what am I going to do right now? I can see we just created a new high. Okay, our current high is right here. Okay, so I'm just going to mark this previous high over here. The price just broke. Okay, it literally just broke it right now. The 1 hour candle just closed. And then I'm just marking this previous higher low as well. Okay, this is basically the lowest point gold went down to. Okay, after getting rejected from this point, it went down there. Okay, and in terms of internal support here, I have basically right here. Okay, so that is it. So what am I seeing here? Okay, let me just check the 30 minutes. There's nothing there. This is a strategy that I teach in my trading class, guys. I kind of made a video explaining it. Okay, you can go and watch that video so you can understand a little bit about what I'm doing. My video, the purpose of this video is not to teach you guys the strategy. The purpose is just to show you where you can look for trade opportunities. Okay, if you want to learn the reason behind this analysis that I'm doing, then make sure you sign up for my trading class. All right, in my trading class, I literally walk you down step by step everything from how to analyze, how to trade, and all that. I teach you guys some of my most powerful strategies that you can use to start trading Forex and be making some good, consistent profit. So on this 15 minutes, okay, there's two areas where I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities on gold. Okay, so number one, I have 3,135. Okay, when the price comes to this level, Okay, this 3,135, 3,130. I would basically wait for the close of a 1 hour candle. Okay, when the price comes back here, get a 1 hour bullish candlestick closing at that support. Okay, this is one good area to look for a buy. Okay, now if that one doesn't hold, then the next potential area, the next best area to buy is going to be around 3,114 and 3,101. Okay, this is going to basically be the next buying opportunity. If this 3,130, 35 doesn't hold, then this is where you want to go. Okay, if price comes all the way down close to this 3,101, enter a buy right away. Okay, because the price is going to use that area to go back up massively. Okay, now this is valid. These buy areas that I just pointed out to you is only valid as long as the price doesn't create a new high. Okay, as long as like this is the current high, right? And this is our previous high. Okay, we don't want to see the price end up creating a new previous high, because if it does create a new previous high, then this level is no longer valid. All right, so we want to make sure this is still our previous high from where the price is. Okay, the price could maybe keep going higher, and then this is still the previous high, but if the price creates a new previous high, then this is not no longer valid. Okay, so this is the best possible areas for you to look for buy. Area number one here around 3,131, 3,135, or number two around 3,101, 3,114. This is the second best area. Now, when you're buying from this bottom part, your target is going to be around 3,148. Okay. Now, when you're buying from this part here, then your target is going to be all the way up here at 3,000, wherever the current high. The price could keep going higher. So let's just say it starts dropping from where it is. Then this is obviously going to be your target. Okay. So that's basically it. Right now, you just have to be patient, wait for the market to come to you. Don't chase after the price. Okay. That's it, guys. There you have it. This is your analysis on gold. We'll review it tomorrow and see how that played out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos, join the Telegram group as well. See you in the next video.